One distinction that I like to make with the Poilates drill, so this works well with these particular poi because they're like handles. If you put your poi here as if they're handles, and you imagine yourself twisting like this, so from the side, this is what's actually going on. And this is how you can practice doing the motion without engaging your arms, right? And you should feel your feet lifting on the floor in various ways, but it's this motion here. And then the metaphor that I like to use is, imagine you're a unicorn on a carousel, you have a stick running through you, so all you can do is rotate around this axis, right? You can't, there's none of this lateral stuff. It's just rotation around that same point in space. And so this drill is like, it's a great warm-up to do, and if you, for whatever reason, don't have space to do this, I don't know, you're on the tube or something, you're on the train, or you're on the bus, this you can do, even though you can't necessarily do this. So you can be practicing your practice, or you're standing in line at the grocery store. You could be doing that, and it'll help you with gaining control of these muscles and practicing the postures that'll support the movement.